Heavy rain triggered this terrifying moment caught on camera. Water was gushing out of a manhole. The manhole burst, ripping apart the surrounding road too. According to the police, flying debris broke the windshield of a nearby car, causing minor injuries to a mother and her child. A dash cam in a car that was at the intersection also captured the moment. This woman was driving the car.
赤信号でよかった。タイミングがあったら本当に怖かったなっていうのと。
She proceeded carefully after the signal turned green. The video shows that the covers of the surrounding manholes had also come off. Water continued to flow out and large pieces of debris were scattered around. Why did the manhole explode? The City of Yokohama said the possible cause was the air hammer phenomenon. According to city officials, a large amount of rainwater had entered the sewage pipes under the road, causing the water level to rise rapidly. The amount of rainfall that a typical sewage pipe can withstand is 40 to 50 millimeters per hour. At the time, a record-breaking short-time heavy rainfall advisory was issued for the area, with approximately 100 millimeters of intense rain falling in the vicinity. That means that about twice as much rain flowed into the area as the sewage pipes could withstand. The air that was in the sewage pipes had to escape through the vertical holes in the manholes. The pressure increased as air flowed in, causing the manhole to explode. We found a manhole cover in a concrete frame lying near the hole. It was not only the cover that had blown off, but also the entire vertical hole connecting the sewer pipe and the manhole, which broke the surrounding. Five cases where manhole covers were dislodged due to the heavy rain have also been confirmed in the 23 wards of Tokyo. How can we keep ourselves safe? The person who took this video felt something unusual just before the manhole exploded.
ずっと水が絶え間なく吹き出てて、そこから急に地面が地鳴りというか地震のような感じで揺れた瞬間に割れた爆発した感じですね。
An expert also pointed out that sound is a signal to detect danger.
事前にはですね、やはり空気がまず逃げようとするので、マンホールの蓋の付近からプシューといったようなゴボゴボとかですね、あるいは蓋がカタカタカタと動いているような音、そういったような音が聞こえたら、もうマンホールに近寄らない方がいいです。
The air hammer phenomenon could occur nationwide, particularly in urban areas. The best countermeasure is to avoid going outside when there is heavy rain.